Here they come, racing to the rescue. The biggest, bravest firefighting machines in the world. It's lots and lots of fire trucks. Feel the heat, smell the smoke, and taste the flames as you race along to real fire calls with real firefighting heroes. Then see the world's most amazing rescue rigs, from high-flying choppers and giant pumper trucks to racing red fire engines. You'll take a trip to the firehouse and see giant hook and ladders, spectacular super soakers, rescue rigs of every shape and size, and more.